Stephanie Lake here, and we are now ready to start our boiling process with the pretzels. We shaped them and now we've let them rest for a little bit so they're their full size. The gluten's totally ready to be awesome. The reason why we're going to boil them is the boiling process is what makes it start to expand and puff inside. And the baking soda, why it's so necessary to have that, is that it makes this, whatever boiling solution you're using, we're using beer right now, it's going to make it more alkaline, which actually helps the browning process of what we know is a pretzel. So we're going to just start cutting them into about half-inch pieces and we're going to start boiling them off. Got a couple of them. Just gonna grab them. We're gonna take them over to the already boiling pot of the Eel River Blonde Ale with a little bit of baking soda. About 3/4 of a cup of baking soda. And this only takes about 30 seconds to get them going. As you can see, they initially puff up, and you know they get a little frothy, but it just starts really getting it nice and poofy. Soft pretzel. So we'll let that boil for 30 seconds, and then when we're done with them, this is what they'll look like before they go in the oven. They have an egg wash on them and a little bit of kosher sea salt. And then they'll bake for about 10 minutes and we'll be ready to rock and roll.
We're going to be serving them with stout glazed meatballs, which are meatballs. It's a pound of meat with equal portions of red pepper, green pepper, yellow onion, 2 ounces of garlic, and finely diced carrots. Put that in the oven for 15 minutes until they brown. Saute pan, a little olive oil, and then we'll pour the glaze on. While she's pulling those out, we're going to put these in a hot pan. I made a stout glaze using our Ravenized stout, a little Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, sauteed onions, and a little bit of Chili God's hot sauce. Once they start to sizzle, I'm just going to pour the glaze right over the top. Nice little stir. You're going to want to bring it back up to a boil again so the sugars start bouncing. Once it starts to bubble, kill the heat, wrap it in aluminum foil, stick it in the oven for about 20 minutes. They'll come out nice and glazed, and the meatballs will be well done.